Choosing the right building materials can help protect your home from wildfire. If possible, install a Class A fire-rated roof and use non-combustible gutter covers. Roof debris can be ignited by blowing embers, so routinely remove anything that can be hazardous. Replace single-pane windows with dual or multi-pane windows, preferably with tempered glass. Keep them closed when wildfire threatens. Also consider installing window screens. Remove debris and vegetation from your deck. Don't store wood on or underneath it. And when it's time to replace deck boards, choose non-combustible products or products that comply with the state building codes. Avoid using untreated wood shingles and vinyl siding. All siding should be at least 6 inches above the ground. Non-combustible fences and gates will help protect your home from the threat of embers and flames. Finally, use mesh screening over all vents and box in open eaves to create a soffit. For more information, visit disastersafety.org.